babies, this little beagle's scared to death of her own shadow. Hey, sweetheart. This little one wants out. Yeah. I know you do. I'm so sorry. Black mutt with a hurt leg. This dog is huge. Boy. Hey, baby. Pink collar. This little thing is a cute little girl. Oh, cute little girl. Yes, you are. Here's the Walker CoonHound. It's a girl. And we have some more mutts. Cute little mutts. This one's holding his paw up too. Did your paw hurt too? Some more mixed dogs. So many mixed dogs today. That one's been shot. Come here, babies! Hey, come here! I'll have to come back over here. Come here. Hey, you're pretty, aren't you? You're pretty. Oh, and there's another one that's pretty. Yeah. This one has a hurt leg. I don't know if you can see. It's hurt. Looks like it's been bit. This poor baby's been shot, like I said. I don't understand people. I really don't. Here, baby. Hey, you're cute. Look at you. This is a boy. Okay. Go around to the other side. Come here. There is a black chow puppy here somewhere that's not coming out.